Hello, it's me, Tracy. I'm back, and today I have the Boxycharm slash Ipsy box to unbox with you guys. It's been a while. I think it's been 2 months since I filmed, so it seems kind of weird, like, not in the groove. My cat, he's gone, but we have Lily here, the side girl. She's my little chihuahua, so she likes to be wrapped up in a blanket, and so she's chilling on a blanket, so you can still kind of see her. And I just filmed a video for the ice cream beauty box, and I talked a little bit in there about like life update and what I've been doing and all that. So if you want to know any of that, go over and watch that video if it's up. If not, it's coming. I'm filming a bunch of videos today. I just got into the mood. I had my hair done last week. I think this is a new color. No, maybe it's not. No, it's not. I think I had this before, like I've already had this. So I just got it touched up. So, yeah. If you wouldn't mind, please giving me a thumbs up. If you're new, I hope you think about subscribing before you leave, and brace yourself because I have more videos to come. I have 3 bins of empties over here. It was all in one, and I was like, there's no way this can be one video. So I think I'm gonna do 3 videos. I'm gonna do like makeup, and then I'm gonna do like hair, and I think I have one that's like skincare. So if you like, empties with a little mini review in it, then hang tight because I'm gonna like get to those and film those. Today on my eyes, I have the Natasha Denona I Need a Nude palette. It's really pretty, and I've been like gravitating towards like neutrals, like not as colorful. I don't know, like I'm 53 now, so might be that. But yeah, that is what I have on today. I only used like 3 shades. It was super quick, super easy. But if you guys want to see like a get ready with me or any kind of other videos, if you have video ideas, let me know. Leave me a comment. Just say hi. Just even an emoji. We're good, because that all counts as engagement, and then more people can see the video, because I'm sure I've fallen into the abyss of the algorithm by now since it's been 2 months. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. So this is the Boxycharm by Ipsy, and they started including this like little pamphlet, and it doesn't have like prices. I don't know if they're trying to disguise like how much the stuff is, but some of the stuff is on the list and then other stuff is not. So I don't really know how much this box is worth, and they've made it a little hard for you to tell. I mean, I could go in and like look up pricing. So the first item is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. I have had this one before and I really liked it. It's expensive though. It's like $60, I think, or could be probably even more since everything has gone up. But this was a choice item, so I chose this, and this particular box is $35. So I haven't bought skincare in years now, because it's like I always get skincare, so it is nice to do, to get the boxes for that, and then you get whatever else they throw in. So that right there is worth more than what the box is. I'm pretty sure it's around $60. They have it at Ulta, and it is a really nice cream. Next up, we have this little palette from Ciate London. I believe this was a choice item as well, because the other choices there wasn't really anything I wanted, so I kind of stuck with this. So it's got a nice color story, nice and compact, can take it on the go. So I do like that about it. So I kind of like the Huda Beauty Obsessions palettes. I don't have any idea how much this is, so I like the color story though. So those were my 2 choice items, I think. And then I got another eyeshadow palette. So this one, if you like eyeshadow palettes, this month was a good month. This is the Violet Voss Berries and Cream Dreams. It's a pinky, kind of neutrally palette, really pretty. And I do see that on this list, and it says it's $37. So definitely a color story I like, so that's nice. Next up, we have Fenty Beauty mascara. I've never tried any of their, or I haven't tried the mascara. Nice, pretty tube. I have like 20 mascaras open right now. So I'm not opening any right now because I know I need to get rid of some and clean out. I'm getting ready to do like a declutter. I got rid of most of my like cheaper drugstore palettes that I just wasn't using. So those are mostly gone from my collection except for a few. And then all the rest are kind of like mid to high end. So I want to do a declutter of those as well. And all my other stuff too, because I just have too much. So if you want to see those, let me know what you want to see and I'll make it happen. I'll make some stuff get decluttered. So that is a pretty high eyeshadow palette, and this is Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Blush, and this is in the color Pink Dahlia. I don't see it on the little pamphlet here. Did I say it was a cream? Oh yeah. All right, let's see. There's the shade right here. And this is kind of nice for on the go too, because if you don't want to bring your brush, it's got a little brush you can just buff it out with. You could use your hands. You could take a brush just to the tip and put it on, or put it on that way. So it's very versatile, and the shade is pretty nice too. So I have no idea how much this is, but I'm guessing well over $20. And the last item is by Ellis Brooklyn. It is a perfume, and I don't know, I usually these kind of size tubes are around $30. If this is, I think it's like a high-end kind of fragrance, but I've never had anything by it, and I guess the scent is called Myth. Let's see, I don't have too much perfume on. I didn't put perfume on today, because all I did was go get my car smogged. Kind of smells like an old lady perfume. Do I qualify as old lady? I might. Like, I'm 53. Let's see if it gives any of the notes in it. Just ingredients. Vegan, cruelty free. Don't see any of the notes, and since they didn't include it on the pamphlet, I don't know how much it is. If you guys know, let me know. Let me see, scent. No, that's something else. Yeah, I don't like this like pamphlet because it doesn't tell you everything that's in the box or the prices. So that was 6 full size. Well, this is not a full size bottle of perfume, but I don't know if I like it. It almost smells like powdery and flowery. And I usually like the deeper, darker kind of scents, like Tom Ford's Black Orchid or Night Orchid, something like that, or like Eternity, or I like most of the Lancome perfumes that I have, I like, and I have like 4 or 5 bottles of Dossier. Those are really good, like dupe type perfumes. So I don't know. I've never really seen Ellis Brooklyn, so I don't know what it's worth. But the other stuff, the Elemis cream, the Fenty mascara, that's probably at least 25. I want to say this little palette is probably 25, and the Anastasia blush is like 20. I'm not even sure about that, but for $35, I think I got my money's worth with this one this time. So that's always nice to feel like you came out ahead instead of, oh, I have a box full of stuff I don't like. So this one was pretty good. I might have to just stop getting boxes pretty soon though, because I have a lot of makeup, and like it was good, to like, it's good if you're trying to build a collection that and like skincare and eyeshadow palettes, that kind of stuff. It's, and like I said, I haven't bought any skincare in ages. So it's always nice not to have to buy, and for 35 bucks, I got my money's worth. So that is going to do it for this video. I will be, if you see this again, just know that I'm filming like a bunch of videos today while I have the time. So that's going to do it for this video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. It helps the algorithm, and since I've been out of the algorithm for 2 months, they'll probably bury it way at the bottom. So if you could please do me a favor, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, give it a thumbs down. That's engagement too. And leave me a comment, even if it's like an emoji or a hi. Let me know if you're new, and I will reply to all the comments. And I always reply to the comments. But that's going to do it. I hope you guys all have a beautiful day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.